The party
No, that's
after,
great.
party, yeah. After party, oh,
That's
we can have a barbecue.
Barbecue.
Either barbecue.
Sorry, Babi, bazela wera lo bangle.
Hey, what's the problem? Just speaking
Not making a speech.
No. Glad I give him the coca. The coca is not cold.
Yeah, it's not cold.
I like non-cold.
And everybody say it's like they don't like it. That's not good.
Everybody don't like me. I sing no good. Yeah. Me, okay, the problem. Everybody like what a song.
Yeah.
Song, the concert.
See, you are in États-Unis.
Chicago, États-Unis.
Yes.
Voilà. USA.
Chicago. United States.
This is my house.
United
You
States.
understand?
You understand?
You know, Wera son, I'm proud of him because he improved his English. So I saw his concert at Shetemba. He spoke to in front of a big crowd of people there, and he told them about the concert. He told them.
I English ya okanga maisusu bepichumbo.
No. You know,
I love you.
No. If you say love, no problem. You know.
Yes.
Very nice.
Shilo. Yes.
Come, Kakol, come.
Is your
Come. I love you. Come.
Kakol, say something.
Kakol. Come, I love you English.
Oh, that's really?
You know.
Kakol children speak English?
No, no speak English.
They speak English at home?
They say Kakol son.
Huh?
Yes, it's better for Kakol speak English.
No speak English, Kakol.
No.
Kakol speak Lingala.
No, Kakol
Speak Kingombe.
No, baby. Your baby speaks children.
Yeah, Kakol's baby speaks English.
English.
That's what they say.
The baby.
Sorry, please.
The baby. Kakol speak English now.
Yeah.
Does he go to school or what? Yeah, he goes to Cali, American. Cheers. Zenith de Paris. Paris. On the 17th, right?
Yeah.
17 September.
September.
Yeah, I'll see you right.
September.
All you guys in September, okay? Don't forget.
September.
We want to see all you guys.
You speak, President?
September.
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 I said you.
We're gonna be there. We're gonna be there. So please join us to Zenith de Paris.
Bon, merci. Merci. Voilà, tozalaki na kati ya Palais Wera Sonic na kati ya Chicago. Donc deux fois tête komera lelo. En tout cas, merci na Wera Son boyoki anglais. So kangi musobino John Biden. Asco. Ouais, deux fois tête, donc merci. Na batunyo sobolandi direct, oza déjà na 4 États-Unis. Le 29, toza na mariage à Scobar Dessin na Katsa Dallas. Merci à Mampata Maman Pasteur pour ma prière na awa deux fois. Merci na Glading Yama et puis merci na Erzo Senglama. Donc merci na Wera Son, les rois de la forêt. John Biden, Wera Son. John Biden. Boyoke anglais. You understand? John Biden, Wera Son. Bobenga John Biden, Wera Son. Anglais, I tell you, Wera Son, Joe Biden. Osco. Yeah, you understand?